are, guys. Eiffel Tower. Yay! Yay! Eiffel Tower. Yay!
Just take a picture of the sky.
Okay. There you go. So this is a beautiful forest, guys. Eiffel Tower. Yeah. Dad, Chris. Leave the horse there. Oh, sorry. Angel. This is cute. Angel, here.
Wala po price?
Singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me.
$12 or something.
Tonight will you let me?
There's no light. Yeah.
All of my heart, all of my heart.
Why there's no light?
All of the stars, because I thought I could love.
This is cute. Chita, look at this.
But if you want to, I'm all for you. Holly's buzzing. Our hearts are thumping. And I know you want me, 'cause I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my
Where are we going?
all of the stars, because I thought I couldn't let anymore.
It's already closed though, right? And get down.
My secret past, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Tomorrow forget me, but tonight stay the night. My secret powers, because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give me all my heart, I'm all for you.
So I think there's a police. That's why they hide. See police. There's a police. That's why they hide.
I'm all for you. I'm all for you.
Oh, there's a more souvenir there. Food court.
Let's go over here, Mom. Let's go.
Okay, by you. We have homemade France here. Perfume. Huh? Okay. This is it green.
Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart? hearts buzzing, our hearts are thumping, yeah, yeah. And I know you want me, 'cause I feel, and I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow, forget me. Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you a million flowers, a million flowers. Show you my secret powers, my secret powers. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Tomorrow, forget me. But tonight, stay the night. Ooh, tomorrow, forget me. Ooh, tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, give you a million flowers, a million flowers. Show you my secret powers, my secret powers. Because I thought I couldn't love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you all my heart, I'm all for you. I'll show you all the stars, I'm all for you. Give you a million flowers, I'm all for you. Show you my secret powers, I'm all for you. With each sip from your lips, you're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure.
Ask if they have chocolate. So you don't like it? Vanilla. How is it, Angel? Do you like it? So we are having ice cream gelato here, guys, in Eiffel Tower. And this is the river over there. So yeah, this is a gelato. It's so busy. So we're like in a side. We went here so that, you know, we're like get out in a row, in a like, you know, crowd over there. But it's a nice, you know, it's a tourist spot. So yeah, gonna like back to normal here. Busy. There you go. So Eiffel Tower, the lights are on now. It's so beautiful. Till what time is that? I think it starts at 9:30, yeah?
But tonight, stay the night. Ooh, tomorrow, forget me. Ooh, dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be? The punks and the peasants who dared to impress me, singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow, forget me. Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart? Show you all of the stars, all of the stars. Because I thought I got
So this is evening here in Paris now. So this is the end of our night here in Paris for the 8 nights.
our hearts are
7 nights pala natin to kasi Monday ngayon eh. Okay guys. Ayan. Lunggo pala. May food kami dyan nga local oh. Local. Pay galing. Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, dyan kami ng tagal-tagal dyan. Kasi hindi ka makapagsalita ng friends. Oh,